The Axis Y Panthenol 10 Skin Smoothing Shield Cream is a daily lightweight cream designed to balance your skin's moisture barrier. Enriched with key ingredients like panthenol and teca from Centella asiatica, this cream provides immediate hydration, enhancing moisture retention and strengthening the skin barrier function for gentle skin rejuvenation. It is available in 50 milliliters, packing with $15. The cream's core ingredient, panthenol, converts to provitamin B5 upon absorption, aiding in controlling excessive sebum production and enhancing the skin's moisture barrier. Teca, an active extract of Centella asiatica, promotes healthy skin through regeneration and provides soothing effects. The formulation includes key technologies that have been clinically tested to improve the skin moisture barrier by 61% in just 5 minutes. Xylitol improves moisture retention. Erythritol provides moisturizing benefits and strengthens moisture retention. Arginine prevents dryness through moisture-holding properties. And beta-sitosterol helps strengthen the skin barrier. Additionally, taurine is included to improve skin barrier function and reduce skin stress through protein synthesis, while vitamin E acts as a natural antioxidant, forming a protective barrier against damaging UV rays to maintain healthy skin. Many users have reported significant improvements, transitioning from consistently dry or oily skin to an overall state of hydration and smoothness. The cream's effectiveness in addressing acne concerns further emphasizes its role in promoting healthier and more balanced skin. How to use. Apply an appropriate amount of cream on your skin evenly. Gently pat cream for better absorption. Apply a generous layer of cream to targeted areas for enhanced soothing and improved skin barrier. My skin has improved so much from always being dry or oil in different areas to all of it hydrated and smooth. It's also helped so much with my acne, so I recommend this cream.